Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be telling you how to create a low poly design in Photoshop. This is how it looks like. Moving towards the software, firstly we will duplicate the layer using Ctrl or Command J. Now we will select the polygon tool and make a polygon on our subject's face. After that go to filter, blur and select average. Now press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Now repeat this process and cover the face of our subject with the polygons. We will use Ctrl Alt F to apply the previous filter. This is the final result of our low poly design. If this video helps you out, let me know in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.